Air conditioning can be complicated, but it's not rocket science. Some of it is pretty simple, and if you break it down step by step, a lot of it can be do it yourself. We're going to change out a Goodman 2-ton split system R-410a, and we're going to put in a Grand Aire 2-ton R-454b, and I'm going to walk you through step by step. These videos will get better over time when I have more time to put into it. But this is the existing Goodman ARUF 1824-16CA, and when you look at that 2.4 right there, that's your 24,000 BTU, which is 2-ton. The serial number will be year and then week, so 2010, and it's the 6th week. Or is that an 8? My eyes deceive me. Yeah, still not sure, but anyway, you get the idea. I'll break that down in another video on reading model and serial numbers. But this is it, the indoor unit, and this will be a multi-video series. We're going to remove the refrigerant outside. I'm going to show you how to do that, to pump it down into the unit, and then eventually how to reclaim and contain in a drum and recycle our drain. I'm going to show you in another video what this valve is good for, but I'll show you real quick here. The water is coming out of your unit, going down, and then the trap is outside. You got to have a trap to prevent air from sucking back up and stopping the water from going down. That being said, that's why this has to be closed, and if you do have a vent, it should be after the trap. But this is here so that you can close the excess of water from coming down here and put your hose right here and flush it out with a garden hose, which is much better than using air. You can let it run, and it can really peel off all the contaminants and sludge that's stuck to the wall, whereas air will do it to some degree, but there's not as much friction for it to really pull the air off, and that's just in my experience. And I'm also going to recommend that if your water heater is close, you can flush your water heater at the same time by running your hose from here to there. And then you're doing 2 jobs at once. This one obviously is easy enough. You could flush your water heater out, but sometimes you're in a condo where you have a unit and then a water heater beneath it, so having this option to flush your water heater is very convenient. And by putting that valve on, that really can save you some maintenance trouble. And of course your float switch, which shuts off the unit simply by floating if water backs up. That's a must-have. Your high voltage, which is encased in a conduit. There's all different kinds. And then of course your ductwork and mounting. So stay tuned for the next video.